What's good, YouTube? You already see what's going on right here. We got big boy cases and big boy phones on deck. Got my Galaxy S9 Plus and Midnight Black on deck. Then I got a funky fresh case from UAG on deck. This is the Monarch. This is the big boy. Put the link in the description over on UAG website. It's $59.99. But it's well worth it. Shout out to UAG. They sent that out to me for review. But I have so many of these UAG cases that I have paid for because they stand the test of time. And I really just rock with the case. I love the way it looks. So what I'm going to do is make some space right here because we about to really see what's going on. I haven't even opened this case up yet, but this is one of my favorite cases for phones, period. Let me move this box out the way. And let's just get into it. As you can see, I got the UAG Monarch. It's top grain leather. As you can see, we got leather on the back of the case. I'll show it to you once we get it up out this box. It's drop tested, approved. 2 times the military standard. Definitely something that y'all gonna want to rock with. And it's definitely worth the 60 bones that they charging. As you can see, it's an armor frame. It's leather and carbon fiber, and there's a polycarbonate shield plate, alloy metal hardware, impact resistant rubber. Now you're not gonna get nothing. This is top 5 for protection and looks. It's a unique look that you're not gonna find nowhere else. Even though I'm not gonna put them out there. I've seen other companies trying to duplicate what UAG doing, but they just doing it so well and they doing it so quality. It's hard for them to duplicate it. Cause like I said, this is worth every bit of $60 to me, and I done paid $60 for Monarch cases. On the side, you see Monarch, 5 layers of protection. We got some more information on the side. It's impact resistant featherlight, easy access, traction grip, screen surround. It provides you a glare-free flash. As you can see through this packaging. The packaging is nice. Shout out to UAG. Nice packaging as always. This is going to be dope. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and pull it up out the box. You remove this front plate. Y'all got to excuse me because I cut my fingernails due to popular demand. And look at that. Look at, you got the leather. You got polycarbonate. I mean, there's a lot going on with this case. You got real metal hardware on this case. You don't get more quality than this. And I mean, for 60 bucks, I really like these cases. UAG, every device that I buy in UAG make the cases, I gotta have at least 1 or 2. I'm gonna pull it up out. As you can see, got the little cutout. I don't wanna tear it up too bad. I'm gonna get rid of the box. We seen what we need to see. And here's the case. This is a case company that I call, their cases are very unique looking. They have a very unique, cool, just a very different look. And I like the hardware on the cases. In this case, I haven't had the case with the metal hardware yet. So this is stepping 1 up on everything else that I had from UAG. And I mean, you could just feel the quality, the polycarbonate. It's a little TPU. I mean, some great things about this case. You definitely getting some grip. And as you know, if you watch my case videos, grip is a big part of drop protection. They provide you nice big cutouts. All 4 edges of this case sit up. As you can see, they sit up so you don't mess this grain leather up, this leather grain that you got going on between the TPU. I mean, this looks hot. You know, even through the camera, y'all can definitely see this is authentic, looks authentic, feels authentic, because it's authentic. I mean, that's what you get when you pay for what you get. Give you a nice power button with some nice grips on it. And I mean, it's just a hot looking case, man. I mean, It's not much more you can say. It's a hot case. It looks super dope on the phone and super protective. You know, some folks might not want to spend $60, but you paying $1,000 for a phone these days. So really, what is $60 on a case that's going to last? These cases stand the test of time. I've been rocking with UAG since LG G4, Note 5. And them cases, even though I might have gave them away once I got rid of the device, they were still standing strong and looking good. The only place that's going to take the abuse is these four corners. All this is going to remain with this premium look as long as you rocking the case. As you can see, we got some UAG branding on the inside. You definitely going to have raised edges for your screen. That's definitely going to be nice. Excuse my iPhone going off. It's hating right now. And see all this goodness that I'm about to put on my S9 Plus. But what we're going to do is go ahead and just drop the S9 in here, man. We're going to go ahead and drop the S9 in. Nice little install. Look at that. Off the rip. I'm killing. It looks really, really good. I really like these cases. You got nice big cutouts for whatever you try and plug in. Nice cutout for your surround sound speaker. Nice cutout for your aux. Right here, your 3.5 jack. Because, you know, these are different. So certain headphones and stuff, you go to plug them in, and it may not fit in this hole right. And it might be slipping out or whatever. Nobody wants that. Nice big cutout so you don't slip out. But, yeah. It's the UAG Monarch, man. Raised edges. Nice lip. Nice lip right here. Let me get some autofocus going on my Note 8. Nice lip right there. So it hit the ground. The case is hitting the ground first, which is genius. But yeah, man, this is it right here. Grain leather, polycarbonate, really super sturdy feeling in the hand, super good grip, super stylish. As UAG for you. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Again, shout out to UAG for sending this case out. Thanks for watching the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you want to follow up with this S9 and see a lot of accessories for other devices too, iPhone, Note 8, just subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Go ahead and subscribe to your boy BG. Follow me on Instagram. A lot of this stuff that I'm doing on YouTube, a lot of it, you'll see it coming if you follow me on Instagram. But like I said, UAG, quality, super quality, real screws, metal involved in the situation, authentic leather, grain leather involved in the situation. This is, I mean, you can't deny this. You can't deny this case. I really like it. They didn't send it to me. It didn't matter because it was going to get bored anyway. It's your man BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.